What is going on YouTube? My name is Sanjeev and today I'm going to be showcasing to you guys 5 ways to instantly increase profitability in Forex and cryptocurrency day trading. Let's get right with it. So coming in at number 1 is having a plan. Stating what time you're going to be trading. Let's say when market opens for New York, London, whatever it is, or when market closes. And for example, setting how many times a day you're going to be trading instead of just doing so much and over trading and possibly losing profits. This is the best way to limit yourself, especially if you're in the gains or if you're in the losses, so you can protect your profits. Because at the end of the day, protecting your profits is very, very important. You always want to protect profits. So that comes in with number 2. Number 2 is having a entry and exit strategy. So essentially what I mean by that is, if you're winning, psychologically we always want more, right? There's greed that plays a huge effect with us when we're trading. So if you're able to have a set plan that once you hit a daily certain percentile, you're going to stop trading for that day. If for example you're in a losing position, you're going to be cutting losses right there, right at that spot, and no more looking back or holding position for too long instead of praying and hoping for the best. At the end of the day, analysis is way better than prayers. The third pointer today is having a trading journal. Write down your entries and your exits, essentially everything from your strategy that you want to imply and you want to record keep, because in the long term you'll be able to see what's making you profit and what's making you lose, and you'll be able to eliminate what's making you lose, therefore making you profitable in the long term. You need to have at least 100 real-time trades in this journal for you to outlaw a strategy. Keep that in mind. So when you first begin, there is no such thing as a perfect strategy. You need to find what works for you and go forth from that. And the fourth thing actually ties in with having a trading journal, and this is having a proper risk management strategy. I know it sounds crazy, but people who don't actually record their trading journals or trades at all come back to me and they're like, hey, I never knew this, but my risk management was like completely off from what I originally thought it was. I know this sounds crazy, but it's just how some people are. You need to actually have it in pen and paper or online like I do, so you can see everything that works for you. For me, I have a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 ratio, so I risk 10 pips to gain 10 pips, I risk 5 pips to gain 10 pips, etc. You guys understand the plan. But that's it for risk management and essentially making sure that these are always in level when you're trading. And the fifth tip for today is having discipline and patience. I know you may think this is crazy, but trading is all about discipline and patience. You guys need to stay 100% intact with your original trading plan and keep going at it, or else your entire trading strategy will just fall out of place and your entire trading journal would be completely useless. If you don't stick to your plan, you are going to lose money. This is the biggest way and the easiest way for you to go and get swiped in the market and blow accounts. It's as simple as that. That's all I'm going to be leaving it to. One tip I highly recommend, and this will be the extra bonus for today, but if you have a losing position, don't revenge trade. What I do in order to stop myself is analyze how I lost, why I lost, and I would take a 1-hour break from the computer screen and go for a walk. Apply this to yourself and essentially see if this plan and what I do works for you, because when I mentioned to other people, it has. So test it out next time you have a position that doesn't go in the right way, and let's see the difference it makes in your trading life.